Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Selenium latest version for Python on Windows operating systems. We are going to install by using pip method. So first open command prompt or PowerShell. Then first we have to update the pip by running the command python -m pip install -upgrade pip. Hit enter. See, it is already near version. Okay, you can also verify the same by running pip index versions pip. See, installed version is 25.3 and latest version also same. Okay, CLS to clear screen. Now install Selenium. Also verify whether Selenium is installed or not. Pip list. See, we don't have the Selenium. Now install it. Pip install Selenium. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify. CLS to clear screen. Pip list. Hit enter. See, we have installed Selenium version number 4.39. Okay, you can also verify the same. CLS pip index versions Selenium. See, installed version is 4.39.0 and latest version also same. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now we will test it by running CLS to clear screen. Import Selenium. Okay, so first we have to connect to Python. Import Selenium, then print Selenium dot underscore version in underscore, close the bracket. See, we have installed 4.39.0. now Chrome web browser. Okay, try to import it from Selenium. Import WebDriver. Hit enter. Now create a variable browser equals to WebDriver dot Chrome. Error. See, we got the Chrome. Okay, now import this one also. Now browser dot get, in quotations, copy this one, paste it, close the brackets, print browser dot title. See, you got fit browser dot fit. See, the open Chrome browser closed. When we run this command, that is gone. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Selenium latest version for Python on Windows operating system. Then we have run the simple test program. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.